What are broadcast channels on Instagram? And how to create a broadcast channel. Welcome to our guide on Instagram broadcast channels. In this video, we'll explore what they are and how you can use them to enhance your Instagram experience. Let's get started. If you've been looking for ways to get big updates to your Instagram audience that you're confident will be seen, this feature is for you. Broadcast channels are one of the latest Instagram features. They allow creators to send direct messages to their followers. Anyone with a creator account on Instagram can access it and open up their one-to-many group chat. Once a creator gets access to broadcast channels and sends the first message from their Instagram inbox, their followers will receive a one-time notification to join the channel. Anyone can discover the broadcast channel and view the content, but only followers who join the channel will receive notifications whenever there are updates. Creators can only reach followers who have joined. Channel members can't reply. They can only react with emojis to show their support or otherwise of the creator's message. They will not be able to send messages. To create a broadcast channel, you must have a creator account on Instagram. At the moment, personal and business accounts cannot create broadcast channels. How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. First, tap the message symbol at the top right of your feed. Create a new message. Create broadcast channel. This is where you'll be able to customize your channel. Here, you can choose your channel name. Finally, select Create Broadcast Channel again to finalize everything. That is how your channel was ready. You can also join other people's broadcast channel by clicking on Join. You are a member of other creator broadcast channel. Creator will share their information and many more. As a broadcast member, you will find anything shared by your creator quickly. Broadcast channels helps the creators to engage with their followers. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Instagram and its features, feel free to explore our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. We will be back soon with another video. Stay tuned.